So welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I know I've been MIA, but I'm here though. So I just wanted to do an update on this hair, honey. This is Wiggins Hair company, and actually y'all, I got this hair 2 years ago, not 6, not 3, but 2. So I got this hair 2 years ago, and it was originally some platinum blonde hair, and I decided to go blue because blonde, it just, I don't know, it wasn't doing it for me. But the price of this hair was something like 100, and I can't remember, but it's in the 100 ranges, and I got it for my birthday because I needed some, you know, affordable hair. I had to come here. And this is a frontal, so it's a frontal, and it's 3 bundles, and they're all 10 inches. But so clearly it took color well. I dyed it blue, and if you want to know how I got this color, I did make a video and I did post it. So if you want to see, go ahead and click the link in the description box. It was pretty easy, so if you want to know, you know, go ahead. Showing too much right there. Let's cover that up. All right, is it showing? No, it's not. So how has this hair held up? So I said that it's been 2 years, and I've had this hair for that long, and clearly it's been holding well. But that's because I don't wear it every day. I don't wear it often. It's very rare that I wear this hair. Let me fix that. It's very rare. I don't wear it all the time. And the reason why I don't wear it all the time is because I feel like it's a little, just a little bit on the stiff side. Just a tiny bit, you know. I want y'all to rate the body. Look, rate it. See, I'm gonna let y'all see. You tell me, is it stiff? Got body. Or it got body. Okay. Heat. Let's talk about how I take heat. So this is flat iron, so the hair is Brazilian wavy hair, but I like the flat iron hair, and this is definitely flat ironed, and it take heat well. I wouldn't cook it too much because, you know, I just wouldn't. What would I rate this hair? Let's see. I don't know. I would give it like a 6. Wait. That is 7. I would give it a 6, and the only reason why I would give it a 6 is because it's not a 10 and it's not a 2. So, you know, it don't suck. It's very beneficial if you're trying to shop on a budget. You want to get something cheap for a little bit, for the moment. So, and for it to be 2 years, I mean, come on. Like, you tell me. 2 years is a long time. So, yeah. Would I recommend the hair? You know, if you're shopping on the budget, sis, yes, I would recommend it. So, just wanted to give y'all an update on this hair. And if you like it, if you like the hair color, if you like the way I styled it, you know, I put a little bit of accessories on it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you know, so you can see this face all the time. So, thank you guys for watching my video.